Okay, so here's the thing. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but you should go check it out here. I was able to unlock no-fly zones in spots where you can't take off near to the airport. That helped me greatly because now I feel like I can fly my DJI drone anywhere or almost anywhere. So I'm walking around feeling cool like the man, you know. I did this unlocking video and whatever. It's nothing big. It's DJI's standard stuff, but they don't really promote it much, so I figured I'd make a video about it. So anyway, the video's getting a few views. I'm feeling nice. I came over here to Flushing Meadows Park. I fly here all the time. This is the RC park, and this is one of the designated fly zones, safe to fly zones in New York City. This is one of 5. Never mind planes, right, pass right above. Like planes will be flying right above this field. I'll try to catch one, and you've probably seen and heard them in my earlier videos, like my Phantom 4 Pro versus Mavic 2 Pro night shots video comparison and many other videos. And if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that the observatory is about a couple thousand feet going that way once you take off in here, and I fly there. I orbit the observatory from the Men in Black movie all the time to do my videos. So this is a normal thing. I've been doing that for almost a year. Moral of the story, I came here about 2 days ago to test out Phantom 4 Pro Plus that DJI replaced for me because my last one had some issues. I updated all the firmware. I updated the fly safe, basic fly safe and precise fly safe to have my drone up to date, so I don't have any issues in case there's any problems for replacing or having a defective drone. It's still less than a year old. It's still under warranty, factory warranty. Good. I come over here to fly. Flew over to do an orbit on the observatory, which is my routine thing that I've been doing for about a year now. And
authorization zone reached.
I come back all of a sudden. Look at this.
Authorization zone reached.
I got blocked out in the air while flying. So you allow me to take off DJI where the plane's passing right above, but when I fly out to do my routine that I normally do, I get blocked. And now it's a matter of, okay, I'm blocked in midair. So what do I do? So you know what? I figured I'd make this video to show you what the problem is and how I resolved it. It's asking me for self-unlock. Just take off.
Authorization zone reached.
Okay guys, this part of the video is pure speculation, right? Just for all intensive purposes. Take this with a grain of salt or just think about it. I've contacted DJI about this. I'm still waiting on a response. But in the meanwhile, let's speculate. This is your quad. Now you're able to enter within one of these no-fly zones because it's close to the airport and you're flying around here, having your own merry time. And then you go around, you're still within a no-fly zone, you're on the backside of the airport, so now your quad is over here, let's just say, and then something happens, maybe your signal starts to break up, or you figured, you know what, I got the shot, whatever it is, whether you're facing that way, shooting whatever's outside of there, you're not really concerned with the airport, whatever it is, you are ready to hit return home. Do you think that the quad will return home back this way? No. Usually these quads take a straight line, which is the fastest route, A to B, straight back to your home point. And I think this is what DJI means when they say that your return to home may fail or it may not work. Be prepared to fly home manually, because once you're within this restricted airspace, the return to home might not take a straight path back, because as you can see, you might intercept with planes and stuff like that. And I think this is what the return home message failing could possibly mean. Again, this is just speculation. Take it with a grain of salt. Share what you think it is and what seems logical to you. What the heck is wrong with you? Thanks for those warnings. Not interested. Yes, I accept whatever. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Just so you know, return to home is working fine. You can fly, well, almost anywhere, I guess. Nothing is bulletproof, but I hope this helps you in some way, shape, or form. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and do become a patron, guys. $1. $1 a month. It's a no-brainer. Support my content and earn a chance to win 6 DJI Mavic 2 Zooms or Pros, whichever one you like, when I hit my 1,800 Patreons, which I'm so excited to hit. So head over there, become a Patreon, support my channel, $1 a month, and earn a chance to win a drone, Mavic 2 drone. I'm freezing my ass off here, my drone's coming back.